The question is this: how do you add an attachment to a Gmail message when you send it to someone? I'm going to show you a couple ways to do that in this video. All right, I'm going to hit Compose. This is desktop in Chrome on my Apple Mac. I'm going to send it to my buddy, T.O. Burris at burrisconsulting.com. I'm going to let him know it's a test. Now, here's how a couple different ways of adding an attachment. First of all, if it's a regular file that's on your computer, you can click on the little paperclip right here and you hit attach. And you can actually go view and find that document. And I'm going to use this image right here and click on the document. And I can hit open or I can just hit enter. And I can add the document, and I can send this email out, and it'll have that as an attachment. But there's another way of doing it as well. I'm gonna get rid of that, remove it, and let's do another one. So I'm gonna leave my email right there. I'm gonna go to a Mac Finder, which is the same thing as a Windows filer. I'm gonna make the window a little smaller so I can see my email I'm sending right here. I'm going to go to the desktop where that document is. I'm going to grab that document, click and hang on to it, push down and hang on to it, and drag it over and drop it right there. And it's actually going to embed it into the message that I'm getting ready to send to Teddy. So those are two different ways of sending a file. Either hit the attach files button, go look in your on your computer, find the file, double click on it, hit open and add it as an attachment, or open Filer up, put it on your desktop or open Windows Explorer and grab and drop the file directly into the email message. And then you simply hit the send button. And when I send that to Teddy, you'll notice when I go look at it in the sent items, in 1 second to make sure it shows up. There it is. And when I click on it, and you'll see there's the attachment right there and previewed within the email. Now there's one more way of sending documents to someone through Gmail. I'm going to hit Compose. I'm going to send it to my buddy Teddy. I'm going to do test again. Now what I can do is instead of hitting the attach button, I can go over here to Drive. Now in Drive, I can go look for files, search for files, however I want to. And once I find the file I want to send, I know there's the insert button. But before you hit the insert button, notice this over here. I can make it an attachment, which will take it out of Drive and put it in as an attachment. Or I can just share the Drive link. And if I share the Drive link and hit insert, it put that image in there, and when I click on it, it's going to go back to Google Drive to get the image. Again, it's just the link. You'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner down here, when I hover over it, it's got the Google Drive link. Get it from your PC or your Mac, get it from Google Drive. Either way, you can add attachments attached by here or attached via Google Drive. Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, experiment with this. It's really pretty easy and a powerful way to share content with anyone.